Hello everyone, this is DTrader, and in this video I will explain what is liquidity. Today we are diving into crucial concept in trading, liquidity. So what is liquidity? Simply put, it's how easily you can buy or sell an asset without affecting its price significantly. In a liquid market, there are plenty of buyers and sellers, which makes it easier to execute trades quickly and at fair prices. But why is liquidity important? High liquidity means you can enter and exit positions with minimum slippage, ensuring you get the best possible price. It also contributes to price stability and accurate market valuations. Plus, lower transaction costs and greater market confidence make trading smoother and more efficient. So, stick around as we explore this topic in more details. As you can see right here, I have opened the USA Nasdaq 100 chart, and I will show you where you have to seek for liquidity, like where you have to find liquidity. So liquidity is where levels where a lot of buyers or a lot of sellers remains. So as you can see here, we have a lot of big wicks. So what is meaning of this? Uh, Meaning of this, that price was going down, but but the buyers was here. I mean, remaining here. So buyers were stronger than sellers at this level of price. At this level of price. So that means in this price, the buyers remaining. So in this price, buyers remaining. So there is a lot of chance when this level gets swaps, price will go and reverse from the bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish. So as you can see here, there is level I marked, and as you can see, as this candle tapped into this level, there was a reversal, and look at this, there was a reversal, big reversal. But this is not 100% guaranteed. This level does not mean that it's 100% guaranteed. It's one of the confluences you need to execute your plan. So if I was here and I was seeing this level, I will just wait for like break of structure. As we stepped into, I will go to the smaller time frame, look for break of structure and something like that to execute my plan. What is in your strategy? Use what is in your strategy. So that is why liquidity is really useful levels. So really useful to use it in the charts. Really good to use it. You have to use this because this is why market moves. This is just conversation between buyers and sellers. This shows you that buyers was more stronger in this price level. As I told you, this candle just tapped into it, broke the structure here, and goes up, as you can see. Now I showed you a bullish example, and now I will show you the bearish example. So bearish liquidity remains at the high points of weeks of the candles. So here can be liquidity. Oh, this is not okay. Wait. This is better. Okay, these things are liquidity. This thing is liquidity. Like this whole level is liquidity here. This whole level here. And as you can see, when price tapped into this level, it got reversed. As you can see, tapped into it second time, third time, broke the structure, and goes down. I did not even fucking draw this shit. This happens in the markets. It always happens in the markets. Look at this. I'll show you example again. Look at this. Okay, where is it? Here. Here, liquidity gets swept. This here goes up. Like this happens in every time. Like here, liquidity. Here, in this moment. Like, look at this. How beautiful is this? Here, swept. Oh my god. Oh my god. Break of structure, and we go up. This happens in every time of the charts. Oh my god. It's so funny how this, like, most of the time this works. And some people call this gambling. The trading is not gambling. If you know about trading, if you have strategy, if you have like risk managements, everything, this is not gambling. This is one of the sources to earn money. A lot of money. A lot of money. I know a lot of people who made a lot of money with this. Like, look at this. I will show you example again. Uh, but it does not work all the time. But like, it's one of the confluences that you need to have to execute your plan. Here, get swept. Here, get swept. Liquidity grab. Here, in 1 hour, this looks so bad, but no. This, even in 1 hour, you have execution. Here, we broke the structure here. We put stop loss under these lows, and we just entered in the trade. First take profit here. I cannot see anything. Oh, at this level there is no data. Okay, so seek for highs. First take profit here. Second take profit somewhere here. I don't know. But as you can see, price just hit every fucking profit. Every fucking take profit. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know anything more. This is that is all I have to tell you guys. Hope you learn this and hope you like this video. So, bye.